Hello traveler, I would like to introduce you to my new project, Sandsea Tavern. It's a card crawler roguelike game that I am currently developing for a mobile device. In this introduction video, I would like to show you a gameplay, and we're gonna talk about what it's already done and what need to be done to release this game. And I hopefully I will finish this year. Let me introduce characters of the game. We have Rogue. She is the only character that fully done. She has full set of animations and she will be probably the only playable character in the alpha releases. We also got Trader, and after that we also have a Pirate. For now, that's just appearances or like skins of characters. Eventually they will have class specific abilities and attributes. The game starts with an introduction pre-story card, which will show what our character was before he started his adventure, and will determine what items he has in an inventory. Currently, inventory of the character filled up with a bunch of random items just to test inventory system how it works. In this case, I'll just switch him weapons. Only wearable item right now it's sword and knife, but all icons already drawn, they're just not in the game. I'm gonna go to first card in our level, which is Strange Glade. Gameplay of this game easy. You just get a list of cards on your table in a different shapes. Some of them random, some of them presets. As we see, that card didn't went well, and I am healing right now with the healing potions. Also, we lost a weapon, which it's my crucial mistake here, which I will regret later. That's why I would like to add a bit of like status icons. So if you're poisoned, or if there is some other effect, or we don't have weapon, we can see it right away. Here I just introduced my store system when we just found a caravan and traded with a dude. Bought a bit of potions, sold a lot of junk that we have in our inventory. And as we can see, each level is a set of cards that will be in random shapes. This one is a kind of corridor or tunnel, so it's not a good example of the level. I am using a C# standard randomizer currently in the project, which we all know that it's not real random numbers, it's a pseudo random, and we can see cards and shapes get repeated pretty easily. So that's a good example. I have a mechanic, cursed cards and lucky or / holy cards, which holy card will give you a double positive income and will half the negative. So this card is curse, so it will, if you would lost it, it would damage us twice as much. But if it would give us, for example, 20 gold, instead of it would give us 10 gold. Scorpion Nest, I really like the mechanics and how I made it with the shaders. If you lose a dice check here, we will get poisoned, and poison can build up. So basically, if you drink poison potion, or you encounter Scorpion Nest or some other scorpion or poison encounters, the screen will become green foggy, and every step you will get damage. I also just use basic system with the food per step and HP. currently this game has about 20 cards in it, but I already drew and made, I would say, about 40 cards. My goal is to get 70, 100 before release, and we'll see from that point. This card is a bit of humor. It's basically a Mirage and V8 Sand. So we got a bit of health and a bit of food. Positive income. No, we actually lost health. If we got positive outcome of that card, we would get HP. Sadly, this level is just preset with the 3 cards for testing. I will probably remove it from the game because it's literally boring. Just 3 cards. Or it could be random, I don't remember. Here we go. The first enemy encounter. The fight is currently pretty simple. We got a percentage of what enemy will do next turn, and we have 3 buttons: attack, defend, and inventory, where we can use our potions. Pretty much, as I said earlier, I didn't wear a weapon after I lost it in Anteater Pit. That was a crucial mistake. I need to rebalance it. So basically, without a weapon, I do 0 damage to this enemy, and this enemy is pretty light, and he doesn't have a lot of armor, and only critical hits damage him for 1. So that was my end of the run. I will go through the gameplay again, just to show you another run, and as we see, the random again just playing with us. We got exact same corridor, exact same cards, which need to be fixed, and I need to use different randomizer. I'm probably gonna write myself. You can see a second enemy in this game, the Scorpion, and because we have weapon, we have 0 problem with them. And as this one testing character, he has a lot of armor and we don't get much damage, and we're gonna handle this fight pretty easily. I will add loot after the edge fight. And as we see, the game is not finished yet, so it's literally just crashed. I still need to figure out why it's crashing, because it's only crashing in specific moment on that specific card and only on Android device. So let's talk about what's done in the game. I would say, I don't know, 80% of the game done. All core card mechanics done, so I can just add new cards, just give me text, give me art. Core game board done, so I can add more templates, adjust a bit maybe level generation code, and that's it. It's everything in place. Core combat done. I would like to add maybe evasion percentage, a bit more features. Bosses will be work different because there is a possible ability for enemies. So boss, for example, can summon worms. There is already idea. There is the art for the boss that I will show maybe in next devblogs. Inventory done. After I moved to 3.4 Godot engine, my inventory was broken, but I fixed it. 80% of graphics done. I drew a lot of cards. I still need to draw a lot, but as you can see, all interfaces, everything done. Maybe I will add another arena, but so far I would say the game in a pre-alpha or just like early alpha state. Let's move on to what's need to be done. Status icons. As I said, like I would like to see if I poisoned or I don't have weapons from the main screen of the game. so it would be a nice visual thing. Or like also there will be a buff for like strength or a debuff for weakness, and so I do less damage. I would like to show it, maybe just pop up with this stats and stuff. Basically I need to do saving and continue. I will need to look into it. Maybe it's gonna be just done through the XML files, not sure yet. I don't have experience in saving and continue in games, just only in software. Also, as you can hear, my English is not my first language, so I will definitely add Russian localization and English localization. And I still need to draw a lot of mobs, cards, and just graphics. So that's why it's graphics kinda 80% done, and I still kinda need to draw 80% of the graphics. It's a lot of work, but thank you for your time, and I will see you in next devblogs. They're probably gonna be shorter because this one kinda introduction. I tried to record it in one go, definitely didn't work, but it's kind of just raw material. I would like to try it like that. And if you're interested in game development or art or games, welcome to my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/deadrats. I will leave link in description for sure. Bye guys.